Just 0.1 Bitcoin could already make you financially free. I'm full-time institutional crypto trader, and let me show you why even a small piece of Bitcoin puts you in a top tier of Bitcoin holders worldwide, and how you can earn passive income with it every single week. Let's go! Here you can see the global population of 8 billion people. Each person represents 10 million people on Earth. And as you can see, only 0.01% of global population owns more than 1 Bitcoin. And don't forget that most Bitcoin is already held by institutional investors like MicroStrategy. Early investors and also a lot of coins have already been lost. And the good news is that even if you hold 0.1 Bitcoin, you belong already to a top tier of Bitcoin holders worldwide. And as institutional investors buy more and more, Bitcoin gets rare and the entry price goes higher. But 0.1 Bitcoin is already enough if you know how to use it and get consistent passive income already today, and don't wait until the price of Bitcoin will skyrocket. And I will show you very soon how to earn this passive income and give you a real life example from my public portfolio, in which I use the same strategies and receive consistent daily passive income. But there is one problem. Most of the people who are watching this video right now will miss this opportunity, because most of the people are waiting for a perfect time. For example, they are waiting for a crash, but when even the crash happens, they are waiting for even lower prices and don't act. And a bit later, I will show you exactly how you can wait for the price that you like and at the same time get paid for it in Bitcoin. So yes, exactly, you will wait for the price that you like, and for that you receive Bitcoin. And rewards could be up to 50% of annual return. So that means in 2 years you can double amount of Bitcoin. Sounds not real, but this is the truth. And all institutional investors use this strategy all the time. Because for big players in the market, it's better to sell meme coins to retail clients and at the same time use these strategies that not a lot of people know about to earn more and more Bitcoin over time. But people with even 0.01 Bitcoin could follow the same strategies which institutional investors follow and be ahead of all other retail investors. And I will show you how exactly this small amount of Bitcoin could work for you and generate consistent passive income over time. And you will accumulate even more and more Bitcoin over time without spending your money for it. And already a lot of people are thankful to me that they learn about these strategies. And I'm sharing all these strategies absolutely for free with you. And everything is needed is your readiness to follow this strategy and one of top tier exchanges: Binance, Bybit, OKX, or Deribit by Coinbase. And we need one of those exchanges because Bitcoin alone doesn't pay any income, because there is no staking rewards for Bitcoin. So, and let me explain you two different strategies how you can earn passive income with Bitcoin. So the first scenario, if you already own 0.1 Bitcoin. And the second scenario, if you don't have Bitcoin yet, but you would like to buy Bitcoin. And let's start with scenario if you don't have Bitcoin yet. Maybe you don't have Bitcoin because prices right now are too high for you and you don't ready to buy Bitcoin at all-time high prices. And you're looking for a better price. Or maybe you have already sold all Bitcoin that you have and waiting for a price drop in Bitcoin price. So what to do in this case to get passive income in Bitcoin? So here you can see a price graph of Bitcoin with all-time high price of $126,000. The current market price is equal to $110,000. So, and let's assume that the current market price is too high for me, but the price of $100,000 looks more attractive for me. and I will be ready to buy 0.1 Bitcoin. And for my readiness to buy 0.1 Bitcoin, I can get consistent passive income. And this is exactly what institutional investors do. They don't simply wait for a specific price. For this, they get passive income. And for example, if the price of Bitcoin after 1 month will be lower than $100,000, I will buy 0.1 Bitcoin at $100,000, and for that I will receive a premium of 0.001 Bitcoin. And if the price of Bitcoin after 1 month will be above $100,000, I will receive the premium once again, and I will have already 0.002 Bitcoin without spending any dollar. And maybe next month Bitcoin will hit my target price. I will buy 0.1 Bitcoin, and because I receive all this passive income, my balance of Bitcoin will be more than 0.1 Bitcoin. And for example, could be equal to 0.11 Bitcoin. And in this case, I can accumulate even more and more Bitcoin over time. And over the long-term period, the balance could increase very significantly. And as you can see, even before buying Bitcoin, I can already earn passive income from it. And if the price of Bitcoin drops, I buy Bitcoin cheaper, and also at the same time I keep the premium. And after I buy Bitcoin, I can still earn passive income on it. So let's say I bought 0.1 Bitcoin, and now I will be ready to sell Bitcoin at an even higher price. So for example, let's assume at the price of $140,000 or maybe $150,000. And for that, I can also get a premium in Bitcoin. And in this case, I can accumulate even more Bitcoin without any stop. And if the price stays below this price level, I still keep this premium and receive the premium once again after the second month or the second week. So it depends how often would you like to receive this premium. For example, I can receive my passive income daily, weekly, monthly, or even quarterly. And in case price of Bitcoin will hit $140,000, this is not problem for me, because I will sell Bitcoin at even higher price, make profit from the price increase of Bitcoin. And don't forget, I still have my passive income that I collected, that I can sell as well or still keep in my wallet. And very soon I will show you exactly the way how to do this. But before that, I would like to show you my real example and show you that this strategy really works. Because with my public portfolio, I have already collected 180 times my passive income and consistently increase the value of my public portfolio. And it's not needed to have a large portfolio like institutional investors have to use the same strategy and collect this consistent passive income. For example, my public portfolio, I started with initial balance of $2,000. And after 6 months, my public portfolio was already equal to $2,600. And this is more than 50% of annual return. In my public portfolio, I use this strategy with Ethereum, but exactly in the same way this strategy could be applied to Bitcoin. And this is exactly what I am teaching about on my YouTube channel, absolutely for free, how to earn passive income with Bitcoin or Ethereum. And for that is needed your readiness to apply this strategy and one of top tier exchanges, Binance, Bybit, OKX, or Deribit by Coinbase. And if you would like to get a personalized help with a structured plan how to get passive income with Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can book one-on-one session with me. The link you will find in the description below. And I will guide you step by step and show you how to make this passive income. But also you can watch my free step-by-step guide how to buy Bitcoin and get passive income. Or if you already have Bitcoin and you would like to get passive income with it in this video. See you in the next video. Bye.